What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I'm excited to bring you this taco bowl for a couple of reasons. The first reason is that this recipe is gonna be a 2-for-1. So I'm also gonna show you how to make pickled onions. And the other thing is that we get to talk about the star of this taco bowl, which is Bulgar wheat. So I like Bulgar wheat for a couple of reasons. I feel like it's faster to cook than brown rice. Also, it's chock full of protein and fiber. So in 1 cup of cooked Bulgar wheat, you're getting about 6 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. So it's a great way to make sure that you have a nice balanced meal. And the other part is it's poppin', duh. So if you want to see how to make that, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're gonna do is combine water with some apple cider vinegar, and then I've got some sugar going in, a little bit of salt off camera, and then you'll also see some crushed red pepper going in. You wanna mix all of this really, really well before you bring it to a boil that you see here. While it is boiling, you'll go ahead and slice up your red onion. I'm using about 1/4 to 1/2 a red onion. You'll do as many or as little as you like. And then once I've got that cut up, I'm just gonna transfer it into a glass jar. And now I'm adding in that nice mixture, and then I'll just go ahead and put the lid on, and this is what it looks like. And then after 2 hours in the fridge, this is what it looks like. So now we're gonna go ahead and make our Bulgar wheat. So I ended up making 1 cup of Bulgar wheat. So I've got 2 cups of water and then 1 cup of the Bulgar wheat. In my family, we like to season the water real good first. So we've got garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of some salt going in, and then I am going to put in some oil so that way it doesn't stick together. Then I've got some lime zest and also some lime juice going in, and then I'm just gonna stir all of that together. Now it's time to add in the Bulgar wheat. Give that a really good mix before, you leave it to do its thing. So I don't know if this is just the Jamaican in me, but I put some foil on top and then put the lid on and turn it down to low and left it alone. Now that it's done, I'm just fluffing up the Bulgar wheat, and then you'll go back and add a little more lime juice and some cilantro. So on my plate, I've got the Bulgar wheat going down. I've got some soy chorizo crumbles, some corn, some seasoned black beans, gonna add the tomatoes, and then here are the pickled onions that we made earlier. What's a bowl without some guacamole? And then I am gonna put a little cilantro on top for garnish. But I also made a dressing, so here's how you do it. You take some adobo chilies from the can, some lime juice, a little bit of vegan sour cream, a little bit of vegan mayo, add a splash of plain plant-based milk, and then put it on your blender. So you can make it as thin or as thick as you like, but here's what it looks like on top of the bowl. And y'all, it is popping. But let me know what you think in the comment section below.